Starting around 12 October 2023, really smooth love mixture for the most part is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in absolute most recent 1 hour and in every practical sense, large way. SLP especially has a truly complete market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This for the most part makes exceptionally smooth love elixir, SLP, in every practical sense, positioning at 319 in the digital currency market, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the fundamentally smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023, what will truly smooth love elixir basically be somewhat worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. Is all things considered, smooth love elixir a very wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, really as opposed to mainstream thinking? Will SLP cost in a real sense outperform its unsurpassed high in an unobtrusive manner? These in a real sense are our truly smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the smooth love elixir figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost especially is supposed to fundamentally cross a truly normal value level of $0.002, the normal especially least value worth of essentially smooth love elixir, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to in a real sense, be $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, SLP can explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.002 in a genuinely significant manner. SLP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of genuinely smooth love mixture by and large is gauged to generally be at around a truly least worth of $0.002, which explicitly is very huge. The genuinely smooth love mixture value worth can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.002, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, or so they really thought. SLP value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, especially smooth love elixir is supposed to basically arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could sort of arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.002, with the especially normal cost around $0.002 in a very large manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for kind of smooth love mixture in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in a kind of significant manner. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.002, so the fundamentally smooth love mixture value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of $0.002, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of especially smooth love elixir sort of is truly anticipated to for the most part arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.002 and a truly least of $0.002, exhibiting that SLP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of kind of smooth love elixir in a real sense is estimated to really be at around an extremely least worth of $0.002, or so they thought. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for genuinely smooth love elixir in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in a genuinely large manner. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.002, which for the most part is very critical. Smooth love elixir certainly passed value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been generally diminished by 1.23% in its truly current worth. Kind of additional appearance how besides SLP can essentially arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.002 in a significant manner. Assuming that we especially think about the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap certainly is additionally down, so starting around 12 October 2023, kind of smooth love mixture for the most part is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Or so they generally thought. From absolute most recent 7 days, the SLP for the most part was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 3.41% in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir fundamentally has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be most certainly great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, which by and large is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP in every practical sense diminished by 50.056%, killing an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.001 from its truly current worth, or so they in a real sense thought. This unexpected down implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a kind of good really purchase a valuable open door for essentially speedy interest in a kind of significant manner. The 90 days cost change is near 49.26%, and the cost explicitly coursed from an exceptionally least genuinely normal cost of $0.003 to especially greatest certainly normal cost of $0.003 in the very beyond 90 days, exhibiting that especially smooth love mixture by and large past value examination in the in every practical sense recent hours. The crypto for the most part has been fundamentally diminished by 1.23% in its extremely current worth, certainly further appearance how besides SLP can really arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.002 in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir especially is somewhere near 27.54% with the greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin, especially was around $0.002. And the essentially least kind of typical cost of essentially was around $0.002 in beautiful beyond 4 months, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture value figure 2023 facts. What will all things considered be somewhat smooth love elixir in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way? The SLP cost is determined to generally arrive at a greatest degree of $0.002, with fundamentally least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023, which especially is very critical. Does pretty smooth love elixir most certainly have a future, or so they especially thought? As far as cost, certainly smooth love elixir for the most part has an extraordinary pretty potential to sort of arrive at new levels, showing how from absolute most recent 7 days, the SLP in every way that really matters was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.41%. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. It sort of is figure that SLP will increment in esteem, truly further appearance how exceptionally smooth love elixir, SLP,